what the stakes are with a lot of these questions, the political questions we deal with. We think we're looking at a political contest, but we're really a meaningful political contest, but we're really looking at a cultural ritual of self-affirmation. Today, the other day, there was the CIA woke recruitment video, and of course, it caused a huge torrent of discussion about what does this say about the left and liberalism and all this stuff. And people say this proves that the left is culturally hegemonic, and what does that mean? And are they not? And I would say, and then people argue at the point of, is it cultural hegemony? And I would say that I don't think you can look at the vocabularies used by power, the vocabularies used in media, and say that in the constant cultural dialogue between acceptable and unacceptable principles, between virtuous and villainous ideas, that broadly the left is the setter of the terms in culture. But that doesn't mean what people want it to mean or what they think it means when they talk about power, because while this is political, it is political in the sense that all culture is political, all politics is culture, and neither one of them are connected to power anymore. That is the thing. All of this left-right conflict is happening detached from power. Power is being executed by the algorithm behind the scenes. The constant whirring, buzzing, crunching machine sound you hear is the conveyor belt moving without anyone holding the fucking gears, anyone tending to any of it. What we're all doing instead is arguing about a political space and with political terms around a political spectacle that is at every level detached, because while we might argue about this stuff, the only real decisions that matter are being made by algorithms within vastly powerful and intricate institutions of literal economic planning. That's what capitalism is. And it does not need us. It needs us to consume, right here anyway, in America, it needs us to consume and to create an infrastructure to facilitate consumption. And so as part of that, we have to walk around thinking that we're participating in a system. We have to believe in it. And so we are spending our last few wasps of belief participating in this increasingly tribalized politics. Meanwhile, the thing happens behind the scenes. Because people say, because people want to say, like, this means the left has succeeded or it won or something. This is what it wanted. The left is not a coherent system, a coherent movement with power, with an orientation to power. It is individuals with self-definitions as customers. Now, in that pursuit, they might do some left shit. They might start a union at their workplace. They might join an org that does a campaign. They might help elect somebody to office. They might change the tenor of discussion of issues. They might even get some things done in terms of laws and getting union contracts and whatnot. But they're not doing it as part of a project. They're doing it as a bunch of people expressing their preferences in the marketplace. And the antithesis that could challenge capitalism will have to be something else. Will have to be lashed together through bonds that transcend self-interest.